Education is the powerful force that shapes personal growth and drives social progress.
ఉపాధ్యాయులకు అందరికీ నా విజ్ఞప్తి ఒకటే, మనం ప్రతిన బూనుదాం. ప్రైవేట్ స్కూళ్ళ కంటే కార్పొరేట్ కాలేజీల కంటే నాణ్యమైన విద్యను పేదలకు అందిద్దాం. విద్య ఒక్కటే తలరాతను మారుస్తుంది. పేదవాడు బాగుపడాలి, పేదవాడు సమాజంలో రాణించాలి అనంటే విద్య ఒక్కటే ప్రామాణికం.
With this strong determination, Honorable Chief Minister Shri Revanth Reddy has envisioned a future-ready education system for Telangana. To ensure that schools function without any power shortages, the government of Telangana is set to provide free electricity to all government schools at a cost of 118 crore. This initiative will relieve schools of utility expenses and allow every rupee to be directed toward the growth and development of students. With the support of dedicated women working in self-help groups, the Amma Adarsh committees are actively contributing to the improvement of government schools and the advancement of girl children. With the assistance of these committees, the Telangana Education Department has so far completed 58,632 infrastructure renovation works across 26,000 government schools at a cost of 780 crore rupees. For the year 2025 to 26, more than 63 lakh women from self-help groups have benefited through school uniform stitching contracts. For the first time, the stitching charges have been increased to 75 rupee per set, providing higher income for women while ensuring better quality uniforms for children. This initiative has also strengthened the bond between schools and the Amma Adarsha committees. To support enrollment and school management, the necessary funds ranging from 3,000 rupee to 20,000 rupees per month are directly transferred to the Amma Adarsha committees. These committees are entrusted with supervising sanitation and local infrastructure. As a result, both student enrollment and retention rates have increased significantly. Along with strengthening basic school infrastructure, the Telangana government has taken a major step to introduce children to digital education from an early age. For the year 2025 to 26, computers have been installed in 5,000 primary schools, bringing modern learning tools to young students. Pre-primary sections have been established in 1,000 schools. These sections are equipped not only with a structured curriculum, but also with activity sheets and play materials, supporting holistic learning from early childhood. In addition to academics, the Telangana Education Department has decided to make dedicated investments in sports facilities, fitness programs, discipline-building activities, and other initiatives that help nurture the talents of young children. Integrating the latest technological revolution, artificial intelligence into teaching, the first phase has begun in 383 schools, where AI-based platforms are being used to teach Telugu and mathematics. This facility will soon be expanded to 5,000 schools, providing wider access to innovative learning tools. These educational initiatives are fostering creativity in children while also supporting teachers in learning modern teaching methodologies. Through free online coaching, the gap between rural and urban students is being reduced, giving more students access to opportunities for competitive exams. From primary to high school, subjects like coding, AI, and data science are now part of the curriculum, preparing every student for emerging opportunities. True education is one that enables holistic development. With the issuance of Mega DSC 2024 and the timely recruitment of over 10,000 teachers, Telangana today boasts one of the best teacher-student ratios in the entire country. To cultivate leadership, teamwork, and discipline among students through sports, cultural activities, and other co-curricular programs, a house system featuring school bands, scouts, and guides has been introduced in 824 schools. Soon, these initiatives will be implemented across all government schools in the state. The Telangana government is giving top priority to girls' education. 120 Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalayas have been upgraded to the intermediate level and developed into Young India Institutes of Excellence. Additionally, 93 more KGBVs have been turned into centers of excellence, enabling lakhs of underprivileged girls to pursue higher education with confidence. These institutions now provide coaching for EAP-SET, JEE, NEET, and CLAT, ensuring that girl students have access to high-quality preparation for competitive exams. Under the special initiative and close supervision of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Revanth Reddy, the Midday Meal Scheme is ensuring that 17.9 lakh children across Telangana receive a tasty and nutritious meal every day. The meal cost for primary school students has been increased by 1 rupee and 33 paise, and for high school students by 2 rupees, enabling the provision of better quality food. Additionally, the price of eggs has been revised from 5 rupee to 6 rupees, ensuring fresh and nutritious eggs for students. For the first time, pre-primary children have also been included in this scheme, extending the benefits of quality nutrition to even the youngest learners. For the first time in the country, a dedicated software application has been developed to improve attendance in government schools using advanced technology. Through facial recognition and geospatial technology, the attendance of both students and teachers is monitored and verified in real time. In cases of absentees, instant SMS alerts are sent to parents, ensuring timely awareness and accountability. With this application, absenteeism among students and teachers is significantly reduced, thereby strengthening parents' trust in government schools. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Revanth Reddy, the Telangana Education Department has one clear mission: to provide value-based, high-quality, and holistic education to every child in Telangana, and to prepare the future citizens who will build a brighter future for Telangana.